Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the WhatsApp not opening issue on iPhone. For example, if you open up your WhatsApp and it's currently logged in or logging on the home screen and it's not really opening. So the first thing you want to do right now is clear your app cache. Go to settings right there and look for the one they call applications. So you can find applications right there, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now in here, just wait for the applications to load up and look for WhatsApp. In here, click offload application. This will now clear your cache, clear everything inside it, basically reset WhatsApp altogether. Once that's done, try loading it up and that should fix your problem. Now for example, the problem still persists. I have two more ways for you. The next one would be background refreshes. I'm going to type in here background refreshes, that one right there. Make sure this is turned on. Other than that, you'll be good to go. So, for example, the problem still persists after those two methods. I have one final method for you, and that's resetting everything. On your settings right here, go to General. Let me just go to General right there. All the way down, you're going to see Transfer and Reset. Click that one and reset everything. And that's it. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.